So you're enjoying Kling AI so much that you've gone ahead and like quite a lot of things, and you may be wondering, how do I remove those likes? How do I find what I like and remove them? I no longer want to have these. How do I remove them from my likes? Simple click here my creatives on the left hand side, and you will click likes, right? And you will find all the things that you have liked. So as you can see, I have quite a lot of things that I've liked here, right? Now how do you remove them? All you have to do is just unlike them. So this will show you all the different things that you have liked, and to unlike them, just simply find the like button on the lower left right hand side and just unlike it. And once you unlike these things, guys, you will realize that once you refresh or you basically switch to a tab and come back, it will no longer be there. So as you can see, I unlike quite a lot of these. So if I switch to, for example, assets or presets, and then I go back, you will see it loads again and it removes them from my likes. And that's it. Very easy and very simple how to unlike or remove any one of those videos that you like. Oh, this is how you remove them from your likes under your profile in Kling AI. Very easy and very simple.